best product to sell on Amazon Australia. I will list down the top products that you can sell on Australian Amazon marketplace and make tons of profit from. These are the proven products that will work. So do watch this video till the end, as I don't want you to miss out the amazing products that I got for you. Which marketplace you are currently selling on? Please let me know in the comment below. Hello Amazon sellers, I am Sania, best Amazon FBA coach for 2018. Welcome to my channel where I simplify Amazon business. So if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and learn more about Amazon the easy way. The Amazon Marketplace is a platform that allows third-party sellers to sell their products through Amazon. Sales through Amazon Marketplace represent 50% of all items sold on Amazon websites globally. Sellers are responsible for setting their own price points, writing product descriptions, and their own branding. A lot of Amazon retailer sales depend on where your item appears in products researches. So getting this right is extremely important. In terms of cost, you will need to pay a monthly description fees and commission to sell your products. There is no specific criteria when it comes to sell on Amazon Australia, but you will need to have the following information to be able to sign up, like as a seller account. You need to have your business name, address, and contact information, credit card that can be charged internationally and should be valid, and your billing address, your phone number, your tax and identification, identity information. These all you need. When you sign up, an Amazon representative will contact you on the phone number you provide to complete the process. Businesses in Australia can sell products more than 20 product categories, including the following, like home and improvement, kitchen, dining, lighting, movies, like you can do that, stationery, office products, softwares, toys, like baby clothing, like beauty, health. So it's almost like everything, right guys? So for those who are planning to sell on Amazon Australia, you can definitely start doing it today. The point of this video is to show you guys the best Amazon products to sell on Australia that I think are going to be very, very hot this year. And you can get the wheels running in your brain from a product research perspective. So guys, I'm not gonna go deep in the statistics and sales of these products. I found these products using two tools. Like the first tool is Viral Launch and the other is Jungle Scout, which is far more the best tools for Amazon out there. And for my YouTube family here, I have placed heavy discounted links for these tools in the description down below, so you can go and check it out and save you yourself money. If you want me to go deeper on explaining more of the technical factors and research, then please do watch my video here on how to do it correctly. I will give the link in the description down below, so you go and do it, but after the video. So the first product is the manual silicone breastfeeding pump. That's not easy to use but environmentally friendly. There are no cords, batteries, or assemblies required with this pump, and the fact that it is so compact makes it easier to store it in a baby bag or handbag. It's also BPA PVC free product, which makes it a highly profitable product among others. So you can check that out. Okay, next is blue light blocking glasses. More and more people are buying glasses online, and possibly due to the vast era of cheaper frames to protect their eyes from the blue screens on your laptop or phone. It's perfect for tight, strained eyes, so now is the best time to sell this item. It got less reviews and plenty of room for improvement, as the reviews are less than 4.5. Next, we have a product in women's category, that is Touch Up Eyebrow Razor. It is ranked number 1 in bestsellers in hair, epilators, groomers, and trimmers. These razors will smooth and sharpen even the finest hairs. They come in a pack of 3 and are easy to slip in any toiletry bag. Less reviews, less star reviews 4.4, so it got a room for improvement and you can totally sell that. Now let's talk about my favorite product, and that is bath bomb gift set. This set normally comes with 12 different bath bomb colors and scents so that you can tailor your night for pampering yourself and your mood. You can modify and improve the quality by improving the scent and giving hydration purpose. It's a very popular product among Australians, and you can gift it and you can bundle it for a higher price point. So you can totally go into this market. Okay guys, next one is dog hair roller. This hand operated roller makes specifically to remove pet hair from couches, beds, blankets and comforter. It is a very popular product on Amazon Australia and comes in different colors and designs, so you can always modify it as the reviews are normally 4 and below. Try bundling it as much as you can so to make it a luxury brand, and modify it to make it differentiate your product. Next one is very important in men's life or maybe in women's life. It is a beard bib. There are a few things worse than seeing clumps of freshly shaven hair scattered in the bathroom sink, right? This beard hair catcher can be worn like an apron, so there is no mess, clogged drains, and best of all, no cleaning. There is a competition in the market which shows a lot of demand, but I want you to work an extra mile and read reviews and modify the product so you can be the different one and sell at a higher price point. This product can easily sell on Amazon Australia as the competition there is low. Next, on number 7, we have Toothpick's gift set. I didn't know it even existed until I found it in my research. It is a perfect product in the gift category, as you can always customize and sell it in beautifully. I love this product simply, and I already bought it from Amazon. But this product needs a lot of creativity if you want to make profit from it. So you can keep your turns your brain turns, and you can think about the creativity part and how you can bundle it, how you can present it. It will be a really good one. Now we have wood beer caddy. It comes handy when you want to fill up your favorite beer. It holds up to 6 beers or sodas and even includes a built-in bottle opener. It is a great product to sell on Amazon Australia as people there love to party. Again, it got less than 4-star reviews, which shows a lot of potential and a room to improve. So read all the reviews and get it to the work. If you do expand into Amazon Australia, make sure to take it slow. Launch 1 or 2 products, nail down your logistics and watch your metrics to ensure your pricing and marketing approaches are working. Once you have honed your strategy, you can add more products to the mix and start handling bigger sales volume. Australian customers have been buying products in the US and UK website for a long time now. Customers on Amazon Australia have significantly grown in the last 6 to 12 months. In fact, it continues to thrive, which is truly a big concern for other Australian sellers. So take advantage of it and start selling. I already gave some products to think about, so why not start from here? Guys, I wish you nothing but the best in your Amazon Australian business. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel, as it means a lot to me, more than you can imagine. And also don't forget to watch my latest video here, so let's go and watch it together.